Jason with SHR Design. Just bringing you one of our classy machines here. We picked this up from one of our customers. He's had it for 25 years, been trying to get it running off and on. Never could get it running because it's a old girl and she's kickstart. So what we did is we put an electric start on it. We upgraded the voltage to 12 volts from the old traditional 6 volts. Changed all the headlights, made a custom battery box. Essentially the bike came to us with basic pieces outside of a rolling chassis, and we got her up and running, made a new box, put a start button on it up here, kind of hidden so you can see her.